Alright guys, today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video. I just bought a Skil miter saw and a saw table to put it on. They're not obviously the same brand, and this video is not sponsored by either brand. I just thought if you were interested in, maybe you're thinking about buying a miter saw, that this might be helpful to see what this one's like. So we're going to unbox this and see what kind of assembly is involved. And hopefully by the end of the video I'll show you why I bought this particular cutting table. So let's get started. I got these items off Amazon, and if you're interested in either one, the link will be in the description. Wow, so there must be a little bit of assembly. Look at that. That's pretty. It looks like it comes with a 3-year warranty, and the book here hopefully tells us how to finish this assembly up. All right, page 17 has the assembly for this bad boy. I think all the tools that you need for assembling this is in the box there, in that styrofoam. So let's, oh no, you need one M5 wrench, not supplied, and a M4 hex wrench. Separate all parts from loose parts, list below. Make sure all items are accounted for before discarding any packing material. The work clamp, got that. Miter lock knob, got that. Double-ended Allen wrench. Double-ended Allen wrench hiding inside this little hole right here. The dust bag, we got that. Carrying handle, screws, right sliding fence, we got that. Looks like we got everything. And then we just need a square, the M5 wrench, and the M4 hex wrench. First thing we gotta do is install the carrying handle. The handle installed. The next thing is the installation of the miter knob lock. This is the miter knob lock. Assemble the miter knob into the front of the table. Do not over tighten. Installation of the work clamp. Right, the work clamp just goes right in here like this. So I got the work clamp installed, but I was confused because I could slide this down even when it was locked, but it will not go back up. So it's forward pressure only. You could slide it down your stuff and then it won't kick back up. We're going to install the right side sliding fence. Just slides in this groove, and then you just tighten this thumb screw up here, just like that. This is just a pinch ring. You pinch this together and then it slides right over it's a dust collector. Hooks right on like that. So pretty basic getting all those parts on there. Now we're going to open up the saw table and try to mount the saw on that table. needed. It's like a Phillips screwdriver, a 13mm, and a 10mm end wrench. And quite a list of nuts and bolts that they provide. All the instructions are step by step in here. I'm not gonna bore you with every step of the process, but I'm just gonna film it and you can figure it out if you get one. I thought I would show you guys how to do this, put these wheels on. They're actually held on by C-clips. So this is how I'm gonna put mine on. Set that in there. Get me a pliers here and just squeeze them on. Just like that. Alright guys, the real reason I bought this saw and this stand together was because of this. Oh yeah! This is super handy. So guys, that's the assembly video or the unpacking video for the Skil saw and the Toughbilt S510 miter saw stand. The saw model number is right here. So that's the assembly of the saw and the saw stand. So far I'm really impressed. This stand is super heavy duty, which surprised me actually. And the saw itself, very simple to put together. Seems like a high quality piece of equipment. This is the first saw I've had that I could actually cut 2x12s. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm sure I'll get a lot of projects done with this.